Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Photoshop for web design. We'll dive into their core functionalities, examining how each tool approaches interface design, collaboration, and asset creation. Understanding their unique strengths and weaknesses will help you determine which platform best suits your workflow and project requirements. We'll explore aspects like real-time editing, image manipulation capabilities, and prototyping features to give you a clear picture of their respective advantages. Figma truly shines with its real-time collaboration, allowing multiple designers to work on a single file simultaneously, boosting team efficiency. Its vector-based nature ensures your designs scale perfectly across various screen sizes without any quality loss. The robust prototyping features let you create interactive mockups, making user testing seamless. Plus, features like auto layout and components help build scalable design systems, and it even offers a free tier for individuals and small teams. Photoshop, on the other hand, remains the undisputed champion for advanced image editing and raster graphic creation. Its unparalleled tools allow for precise pixel-level control, essential for detailed graphic elements and photo manipulation. The extensive plugin ecosystem further expands its capabilities, offering solutions for almost any design challenge. Seamless integration within the Adobe Creative Cloud suite means a comprehensive workflow, and its long-standing industry presence provides a wealth of learning resources. Ultimately, the choice depends on your primary needs. For collaborative UI/UX design, prototyping, and building robust design systems, Figma is generally the preferred tool. However, if your project demands intricate image manipulation, custom raster graphics, or heavy photo editing, Photoshop is indispensable. Many professional designers find immense value in using both applications, leveraging Figma for interface design and Photoshop for creating stunning visual assets. Consider your project's focus to make the best decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.